Let's bring in our technical analyst today, Wang Tao, who's the president of Technical Analysts Society from Singapore, and he's here to chart the future for stocks. Wang Tao, good morning for you. This sounds pretty bearish, don't you think? A dead cross emerging for the CSI 300. How do you see the future pairing out?
Hi, morning, Susan. For Shanghai Stock Exchange, the Shanghai A index, instead of presenting a very bearish picture, it looks like a bullish triangle, which is we call it a pattern, triangle pattern. And this triangle pattern, once is confirmed to be broken at the upper side, let's say 3,100 level, and then the Shanghai stock, Shanghai H composite is likely to test very much a high range at 4,000 to 4,500. So it's not very bearish yet.
Okay, now this bullish triangle, how did you come up with that concept?
It's based on the past technicians' study on the market. When there is such a pattern like a triangle, previously there is a rise, after that a consolidation, and this consolidation looks like a triangle. So we call it a bullish triangle. It's more like a statistical, experience.
Okay, so what does this mean then? If you're looking for 4,500 maybe as the height for the CSI 300, we should be buying stocks right now, is that right?
For Shanghai, maybe. For other stock market, it could be a little bit different.
Okay, how different, and what are the factors involved here?
For S&P and the Dow Jones industrial average, especially the U.S. market, it looks like quite a bearish correction ahead, probably in this April. The rally, from a very low after the subprime debt issue until now, it's undergoing the fifth wave stage, which is the last stage of the rally, and we are likely to see a big correction ahead very soon.
Now, why do you say that? I'm looking at the S&P 500, and on a Fibonacci scale, as you see, it's basically retraced back to the 50% and surpassed the 50% support level. Doesn't that indicate that maybe we have more gains to come?
Yes, we have some gain, but the gain is very much limited. For S&P, the maximum gain could be 1,260 level, and I'm not very certain at the moment whether S&P is going to touch this level before it has a turn back, and it can reverse anywhere before it reaches this top. So the upside potential now is very limited already.
Okay, so limited for the S&P 500. We could see a rally for the Shanghai Composite. What about for oil? That's something else that you're tracking. You're actually bearish on U.S. stocks. So oil prices, where do we see it go from here?
For oil prices, it's currently much range bound between this 82 level and 74. We're likely to see crude oil to retrace one more time, probably to 74 level again, and after which it still possible to go up and test 92 level, 92.50. It's still bullish.
Okay, Wang Tao. Still bullish on oil then. Okay, thank you, Wang Tao. Nice talking to you today. Wang Tao, who's the president of the Technical Analysts Society in Singapore.